give me a push in the ranking. Guys, yes, so me have to do it. Because I don't like how them a do that. I will stop calling him. His name is the topic. And me a talk say, we not there. I want to stop. Link my name with him. Because we not there. And I move and go. Guys, only give me a push. Guys, with the 81 who will go up in that ranking. So anyways. So, the serious thing. Alright, so yeah, so that's how I say, alright, I do the serious thing with Jaden. But anyways, Jaden is not a serious man. So point blank, Jaden no want to do no serious. I think when I don't know the reason, in there I said no one joke for him, I said, what's my could do one serious? You know, cause me I don't know cool and would I run down one joke. I think it upon all one screen recording and him I say, no, I think as somebody attack him, I say, what's he wanna want and him do a serious and whatever. And you know, I don't know if that him got here. So he go to my mother and indeed upset and him I say, me I was a friend and was the on screen with me enemy them. Cool, you have a point because you say your friend the on screen enemy them. But what I said to him say, Akeam, may I bring her down? May I bring her down, Panimida? No, I'm not bring her down with them. But he must say just because I'm the pan screen with them. So I realize a long while I not come back on TikTok. January just done and I just done with TikTok. Come here, say, Lord God, I just can't bother with it, but I'm skin about this and that. Which in all of my friends and everybody I say, am I doing thing? You making money? You should make him tap you from do your thing for making money. And I say, I true, you know, man. If I make him get to make a true, I rate him and I respect him. Everybody say that, guys. I say, you know, for making determined what you will do. Because you not determined what him do. And because you say you not work with it, you have to do what you have to do. Because I not work with bullshit. I not lower my standard for money. And I know eventually if I go down and serious with that boy, eventually I get to like him. And I have to make sure that boy they like me back. And I'm not delusional about clock. And you not going to bring me down. So I have to make sure say anybody me I go do series with, they have to want me back. Can me not do this? I mean not company me there, come crush out. I wanna no say, he boy no want me. Me have to can't stand up with my head high and say that boy they want me. And me have to can prove it. So me not do no series. So cool. So yeah, I mean, he just like it or it just done. Anyways, yeah, then he said to me, say, you know, when nobody a pre, remember, I not do series. I really take him deal with and him respectfully, you know, and a man pre him for take him life over certain thing. It was just so much a go on, which I don't even know about it. I don't know. And it seems like there's some chat and some things that go on. So, anyways, that go on. It done any squash and me and Jaden, but I do not series. Or what we did going to do, I don't know. I call it series. But yeah, it did get serious, guys. Because I say chat and something going. So anyways, I don't prove it, and I just want me to work with it. We not bother do it. Come down me there on life now with figure it out. Remember I say figure it out. While we sleep, all the floor while we sleep on it. While we was one, bro. Now, me no understand. Me no know why them vex. Me can't determine or Christina Reed. It's not gonna. What's not gonna work out for me? Me ask her one question. Me a mute you still like I'm not want you even comment. I don't think it makes sense. Your badge big, but me not hungry. Cause you comment like you try to sneak this me. 1 hour workout for me. Me I try make some workout? Or I try force something for workout? Which one? One of them me tell you about an appearance. One never know. I never meet. Alright. Anyways now, so show me up on screen. Remember I say figure it out on me. We are blood. We call it say we are blood. Well, we are family, bro. So me not have nothing against the man. Alright, me understand say him a cuss and him a say Ivan he cuss me all the time and Ivan he cuss him and once she cuss me, once she cuss you, why you say on the phone a while ago, mommy? Come in and tell a lie. No. So mommy I don't want to on the call a while ago. I have no idea. I don't get me none. You know what? He bring a call and bring her down. He's so call it again. That's Christ. Nina, mommy. You see, you are Akeam will play against me. Me have I don't know. Me have I don't know. No, me see the. I'm not a mother. I take him side. You see, me done. Guys, you know, see me all time, me done. And me everybody against me done. See there, mommy, because I'm done. Me done. Mommy love Akeam can't be. Me can't separate them. Just like how you can separate me and him mother no matter where we have. But no, my mother never ever come me. I'm mother pick and say, my mother not talk Akeam say and everybody just there on a conference call. Say a Lati gone there, Lati would have come in our box. Him bestie. So me, him, my mother and him bestie. And so everybody gone left me night. Which in me nah bring him down, guys. Me nah cuss him, me nah bring him down.
I don't know. Caroline has talked to me.
No, she knows that me nah bring him down, man. Me nah bring him down, guys. Guys, me nah bring him down. Guys, when I feel me with some of them delusional sarcasm out of me place. Come out of me place, come out. Who know if you come out of the delusional motherfuckers? Teddy Lulu them out of me place. This is enough for uno. So anyways, guys, so me I said, me I figure it out. I come from far. I remember say I keep me figure it out and the whole way of family. He have a point on him I say, he have anything catch him I say she cuss it two away. But if I want to talk to her my business. I feel so. Yeah, while I go what him say? Oh, mommy not go say nothing. We don't tell no lie upon him, you know, because you know say me and him cool. Yes, he's mad. He's mad because I went live with his ops. So he's mad. But girl, come off now. Because you know your mouth will come. JC, for me, I'm begging and pushing the ranking. Guys, I'm begging and pushing the ranking. Y'all can't do me so bad. Hey, JC, baby, begging and pushing the ranking, please. Guys, I beg everybody come together. You can't give me a push, please. We can't go up in the top 30. Top 30, are those 20 odd, you know? Wow. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, me understand Vanya, me know. That's why this meet me and I talk, next meet me and I talk. Me can't take her serious. But him not want me to be friends with her. I don't want me to be friends with Figure. Figure it out. Stop calling me. Just a restriction, baby. I told me to come up.
I walk one over there.
Stop calling me. I do a live. Stop calling me.
I walk one over there.
May I let it out? Just me I let it out, sister girl.
Who trouble you?
Eh?
Who trouble you?
The whole internet at me. Cause one look live me go figure it out and Vanny.
So what they say?
So you know if are you
Girl, me not check no for you from who you come. Well, if I come back, darling, if Spice call me, I come. Miss will come back to you. Don't mix up. Left some for me.
Alright.
Yeah, left some for me, darling. Yes.
Anyway, guys. Guys, that was a wonder why 4,000 people. Oh, yeah. Anyways, guys, me not this him nor nothing. I'm a G, I'm a boy, I'm a charge. Starboy, that was something, yes. Guys, so me not this him, me just speak my truth. You understand? Me only can speak my truth. Me not disrespect him. Yeah, I'm even on the phone, me tell him say, bro, it good. Everything good, man. Me don't swear the pan. And me say, bro, you pick your side, you do your thing, you make your money, you do your thing. Me can do my thing too. I'm not serious, me I do it figure it out and Vanny. Me just step on the screen with them. Me understand say you and them have no differences. And you say, me should have your back, cause me and you good. But me not do nothing, bro. Look what people you talk to and me don't like. And me not make it a problem. Me just love you, bro. Cause you do your thing, bro. Me not trouble you, bro. Me never would have come on here and this, you know. And then him all say people are sending him screen card, him gift to them, and tell him this and gift I wanna go lick out to no mother. Me no want to know over ya. Can me tell you so when you come over my page, you just go back in a boy phone bore me. See blank on TikTok on happy? You can't give him more now. Delusional motherfuckers. Delusional. I'm delusional. I'm delusional. You see it? I don't know why I'm figure it out not friends anymore, but I just say three whole a week I come from far. You see it? And I like say me I figure it out a bestie. Who the power one little screen where I used to sleep on one ground and one bed and one place. I mean, talk about something. Bro, even when you not think say me not there on him, me there on him and then they pan live. Yeah, me bust it up now, cause I'm tired of now and me look like I'm stupid. Bro, look how much time me there on, bro, and the people in the panel like, bro, me not trouble them. Not trouble me. Bro, me and him a friend, we not there. You see that it me a show no. Me can't just say me and somebody a friend, not stress me out. Me and him good, me not diss him so nobody get the screen and calling wrong. I say Ray. Me just say me and him not there, no want no ex and me no want him. That's all. Me I say no. How would I try to come in my box? Boy, guys, I so add people in my box. Now for me just talk my truth. You see? But me just say, in the whole situation, me don't want to make me look stupid and make me look like say, me come here and me I talk about me I talk about him or me I say me and him there or them there. I did not say that. We're not together. He's living his life. I'm living my life. We are friends. I don't know if he says that to y'all, but we are friends. We are cool. We have each other number. We communicate. We see each other like on a norm, not personal. So when the people then say then see we fit true. Even when me did them, I said to do you know? That I'm familiar about you know. Do you know? Or when did I never said to him, say, my people in the video with come in on the TikTok. You know answer, I don't want them bring me down. I said that.
Spicy one learn return and guest request. Because no bother with that, darling. But tell us if you ever come back over was. Because was have go on over here. What you say go on was?
So that me I try explain, guys. Alright, Jabba, so me tell you what go on. You know you don't want no sister girl like yeah. So Jabba. Now bring down my ex-boyfriend, right?
Who is your ex-boyfriend, darling?
Akeam.
Yeah, we have to be detailed than just frank.
But you never tell me to stop calling him every minute.
Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them.
Me even come on TikTok, but you see I call people name me I come on live.
No, but
see me on live?
what you see happen now?
No, me ask you. When last you see me on live? No, last night.
Remember you're rich enough to come on live, darling.
But me just say, me now really come on TikTok.
So what happened now?
So now the comments and me vibe and that's.
So what happened?
Bro, last night me go on live with it. Happy nice couple were reunite. Now first of all, me I ever in we look rumbling still with main things now we turn back friend, right? Start introduce me around now so she carry me around again. Remember she didn't carry me around, she and Jaden the first time. She carry me around, she figure it out, meet back to us. We must figure it out while we used to sleep in that one house. Everything. Figure it out like my brother. Not because him and Akeam have them differences, bro. Me not go vex with him because of that. Me and him don't have any. Me understand say me and Ivan have a whole heap of differences. So he have a little point. Me soon get down with that why me say have a point when him say, why you got a friend back Ivan? Cool?
Who's up?
Well, I know you have to listen to the whole of the story. Watch him.
No, me I hear him and darling talk.
So anyways, no. Yeah, Lord of the thing. So anyways, no, at that time me I talking about me know people are gonna send it back to him now. I'm gonna come back to me again with the problem. And we just to make it clear. Alright, Jabas, me I tell you everything going on because it's too much happened last night. So we up on the phone and then he bring one youth there, Marvin. So anyways, I'm gonna say, you know, then too I could have do one little series or something. My first me I meet the guy, me don't know the guy from nowhere. I figure it out, look like I figure it out friend. Anyways, now push come to shop now. Him a saying like me and the comments I say, girl, you can't date him, or you can't do no serious. And him a say, if mother go on a date with him or whatever, but me don't know him, me not answer anything. Then figure it out say I one link cause him a Akeam used to friend like how man figure it out. So I say, all right, my boss, red flag this. We
Yeah,
done
you're
now
not
for that long.
you're not take no man out I can.
Aye, we
Yeah.
done now for that long time, right?
Yeah.
There and done somebody commenting on me comment say me see you on Akeem Saturday. Me understand, say me never deny it. Me never deny it for true. Me coulda deny it. Me never have to read the comment for true. So maybe me wrong for that. But why me I say me read the comment is because me I say, what is the big deal? How more people did they answer we? So me I say somebody commenting. Me understand that me could allow it. Me understand Jamas. Me is a girl. Me just remember me not like drama. So me I go come out and justify me gone back in my shell because I made that. So me justify that. I never had to highlight the comment, but somebody else comment again and say me see them too. So a two person. So you mean I mean I won't have nobody video because I'm free and I meet and the drama, you know. So when I was there, I said to him, say, man, them people have video we know, cause I saw one little girl a pass now and carry on a ball out. One of them all call me name. I mean, say, Lord, God, and then see the van and then see we. I mind just by the van and the van is popular. So anyways, no, we're not talking about that because we are friends, but we're not there. We're not sexually involved. We are friends. You understand? You get where me I come from?
Yeah, I get everything we have to that.
All right, so we're cool. So we're cool. We text, we talking, we come on me yard, we go here, so good. Yeah, we're cool. We are friends. Me and him family, we're my friend. If you think keep on event down at the house, me go down the car, me go down at the house our event. What day, yeah? Was there? I was there. Akeam was there. His mother, no, his mother not there. Mother, that friend. His sister was there. Brother, all of we was there. At the house, at the event. Yeah, because me and I don't have anything. People might have think say, oh, what's our rose have anything? Oh, me and I will have something. Me and I can't have anything. She and the man I do them series. Me and the man used to there. Me and the man a friend. Where we all sitting there so. We don't have nothing. I don't see me that push that. Come here now, even there one place in person at an event with him. We don't have no people who don't never even know that I should have never come say that. And you say me come say it now, me couldn't know. Me and I good, we cool, but me know after this whole drama now, we don't have twisting narrative now and automatically cause eruption. But me I tell you no, today I pick candy and I'm ready. As I say me always I keep me quiet. But them say don't wake a sleeping blood clot lion. And me always I want to know wake me cause me will come bust up some things. So me no want to know wake me want to just love me. Cause me just a shade even know.
So darling, lion, listen me I say lion, cause I didn't wake you. So
Me wonder who matter. You think of somebody like coming?
no, are you lion?
So let me finish and then you can ask me every question. I'm gonna just finish and tell you why drama start. So anyways now after we're on the live with them and something, the person that comments and then say we are. Me understand something never denied. Alright, we're done with that part of the story. After that now, I think me come off live. Yeah, me come off live and me see. He send me about 15 messages. But then delete most of them. So me not get to see more, me not get to see some of them. So me I say, why am I say? So I try to call him. Come and say, what one? I remember me not disrespect him, me not say nothing, me not do nothing. Me yeah, you're good, me your friend, me your buddies, we are bestie. So me there wonder what. So my message them say, you see how someone not real because they're on live with me. Enemy them. Me I says, really? Enemy them. So me I look on me and say, oh, like you must say, figure out how to find them my enemy. So me understand, because them alone me dey on the live. Would you understand that?
Lord God. It's a serious damn things, lion.
Yeah, so remember people have their differences and you don't know what people and people are going with. You understand? So if he said that, he must know a reason for say that. So why him crash out upon me? Because he must say me and him cool and then me the part.
So he come live and crash out by you?
No, upon the phone. You know come live, you know see?
Not on the phone if you crash out back on him.
Me and him crash out, man. But The reason why me company live I say this is because people tell me say people is team or is people. Me don't know them minions. Me don't know what they call them. Everybody are try to bring me down and back. Say me come back and Ivan say me come back to take a man and one. I go up man a class me and this and that. So me more.
Ivani class yo.
Ivani.
Ivani.
No, they're not such a class.
Oh, they say Ivani say you come back to take back the man.
No, she has said me to do that. Remember I went up on the live and she has said to do it.
Oh.
No, them are used to cost me. Me not do nobody nothing.
So you think you have what it takes to take back the man?
Bro, me not trying to take back the man. Me not want back the man.
Oh, she don't want back the man. So don't leave the girl alone.
Yes, Jabba. So not the case. You not get it. You not get it. I know you get it, but you not.
No, me I get him, man, but you me not get no. I'm not
She just said that, cause you know she would troll, cause you know she always have them things, so she just say it, bro. But you should say it now, then have them meeting in the box about it. And I bring down and you see me all over for you, bro. Me never intend to do no problem. Me never come to me for that.
You know, so you get my piece up now, darling. You get my piece up, darling. You're not glad for you?
No, but Jabba say no, say me is not. It's not a cloud girl, me not care about nothing. Me just go send me for the gone,
cloud is good, man, but me just don't want. Listen up, little cloud good enough, sweetheart, but me just don't really want. You see what? I was saying, how you again? How you again? How you again?
One nice gift, me there 16 I ranking, me don't know. 67 me there.
Go on, lie on English.
No, I'm pretty something.
You know me like a long time. Listen up, you know me rate a long time, but you see, let me tell you, boy, I don't know. I just feel like one no go on with the by phone, but turn on by phone. As a truth, you know, me gonna be real. One no go on with the by phone, but turn on by phone. You understand?
It's been over the phone, but I'm saying I'm addressing what is being said on the media.
Can you see? You see when it's been said now, publicly say, he might tell you no, say, you are linked with the enemy then, bro. And that boss there, so you're free, man, no, be a tear down and go on, you know.
No, on that boss, we all know say many people them not cool, so I know like one secret. It's a secret, so they're not friends of us, everybody know.
But them are not friends, but them
maybe don't mean the enemy as a big enemy, but it just mean like people that he's no longer friends with. Remember, enemy as a straight up meaning.
I can't believe my crossfire, you know.
I'm not crossfire. Him just vague.
Me should come in there crossfire, man. Me should tell them blood clot there now. What's my telling you, you know? Come like everything, you know. Me should tell them man. Me should come in there crossfire. Cause crossfire, me come in there now, man. What me come in there crossfire, man? What's me ever leave? What's me can't tell what's me love it. Me can't tell for true. A crossfire this man.
Just mad, you know. You motherfucker. Guys, when we go there and kid. Where's? Guys, I'm not easy now. Guys, help me push up the score, please. Tahina said it's hot, it's hot. Tahina, yes, so what may I say? Yeah, guys, I him come. Must have never had nobody, me just attack. Just attack. But what may I say, right? Me don't want to know no banks that bring me down. Me not come here for bring down nobody. I'm just being myself. And guys, me I beg you no. So now, oh yes, I'm gonna play one match. So now say something that I wanna not give me. Starboy alone I give me. Oh my god. Guys, me not see no rass. Me can't. No, me can't. That person not play much. I wrong person me add. 7. Thank you. No, guys, as somebody wrong me, I don't know play much. Me I look for somebody will play much. I don't know who me can play with. Them people not play much, you know? Anyways, guys, no, Bonnie not on. No, she not on, guys. I'm not sure. She'll take a break.
Fun.
Alright, go. Can we run too? Kiki.
Oh, go on.
You know, run too, man. Come up here and talk and never say if you're going on.
Oh, I can't play much. Alright, later.
Guys, I'm not nobody to play with. No, nobody to play with. Anyways, guys, so I just want to make it be known. We're not enemy, we're good, we're cool. You see it, we're not enemies. But me no want to no paint a picture like me I try to tell you to say me there with him or me I try get back with him. Me no want to no do that. You see it? And yeah. I was just so mad. Like I was just so mad about how he reacted. I was just so mad how he reacted about me being on screen, just like when we do with Donia and something there. Yeah, me understand. But maybe him just say a loyalty and his friends not to be on screen with it. But me not depend I do nothing. I just that me say, you know. I see Raz of a bill. The thing get easy. I've changed. So guys, yes. So him never like the idea. So him say I've. Dina, can I me the thing, please? So it's like basically him say so me I want enemy too because me dey on screen with the enemy them. You know, so we are link up with them. You know, so we are do nothing. You know, but him just say that. Lati, what you have to say? Cause your bestie, you know, have nothing to say. Now I realize that. You know, nothing to say. Come squash it, man. You never the party for the while like I squash it. Come squash it. I wait the film send her that request because she thinks she hide. Come here, we end up on calling and hide, you know. Come here, Lati. Me can't adore, no, me adore. Yeah, I look me up on this. Come squash it.
Man, I'm a piece of justice, girl.
So your name just a play a role a while
No,
ago.
I can't say me a piece of justice.
Casa, she try not say she dey panic call when two we are scream out. She can't even hear herself. Come here screaming at you.
No, bro.
And him a screaming at you. What him a say? Me don't know. Me just so mad.
Brother,
But
media, I not for me, girl.
eh?
Media is not for me.
No, I didn't say it's for you. I'm just saying. Tell the people and say we're good. It's peace. It's peace. No problems. The guy just had one problem. There's no other problem. Yeah. You know,
God have mercy. Can't bother.
the man call you and say, Auntie, my dear, but not bring him down. Why did not bring him down? We just gotta explain to them what really happened. You know, classy. We're Bex. I did not bring him down, mom. I just talk about what happened. You class him? I'm not class him. Come on, mom. We're just mad. We're just mad in the made. We no say me have quicksilver. I'm mad in my head. I'm mad in my head. But just talk about it. Cause me don't want to do no things say me dey on live what tell people say. Anything, me dey say nothing now people commenting. That's how it starts. But the issue that he had is because I'm on the screen with his ups. So I'm just make it clear to Uno say we're not there. He not do me nothing, so why am I afraid of him? Me a last person to do something in a life. Remember me tell you that. Guys, me no know. I don't care about them. I don't care about no drama. Guys, no beef, no drama. Right? And we're good. We're good. We might not be like before, but we're good. We're not enemies same way. In good man. I just no want to now come over here come go and like say and me I come and talk about him. I just have to justify what happened. And the reason why I'm telling about the phone call I become I'm so mad in my head. I'm in a like certain things. And then me I say I am allowed to have or speak with anyone I want to speak with. Because he does. Him know people me not like when him talk to. Him know. Uno might not know the person them, but me and him know. Yeah. So I might not do it public, but him do it privately. My dear.
Oh, you sell the cream. You rub it.
Guys, remember so we are selling cream. I want to send me all over the place, but remember the right thing. Do it right. Guys, if you're somebody not talking, I'm gonna say you and them are enemy. So we're not gonna get this thing twisted now and going like a serious thing. That man never come out and tell us that they're not deal. Obviously, we not say them part ways and then a deal. Then choose whatever over them one another. That have nothing to do with me, not nothing to do with you, no. So when me know where I say that now, I couldn't go say no, me come and say it. And me come and say it. My time it talk. I want to know I'm scream out. Remember me easy forgetting that spirit, you know. Coming holy. So the man I feel like say I can cash up more than me. Oh. But that with me. No boy, you shouldn't say it. Oh, what me say when they say? They're not deal, bro. And that's why he's mad. Mimi. Mimi want baby. Guys, don't make me all that type me hate. Jesus, cause me hate on the stay. I want to say it to you now, I'm typing. Guys, we need a push in the ranking, Adrian. We should have write in our chat or come or something. You don't see our Adrian. Mommy Adrian asking, how you doing? I see now my friend and my mother and my nephew. Then I have me back. Me I tell you what a TikTok now. Cause when me say what was said, nobody now know if say. But then when push come to the show, then cost me. You know, stand up for yourself. You know, stand up for yourself and make everybody this, everybody that. I know me I stand up for myself and I justify. I say me not do nothing wrong. TikTok do this and I only made this remark and this happened. Me never, and I really apologize if I offended Starboy. Guys, when I can't help Starboy, send me some gifts, please. Guys, see with the 60. Only 60 with them, now, guys. We can't go up in the top 20, guys. Hey, Mimi. Well, yeah, I got something there. Your opinion coming? Guys, Ivan is a show. Come on. Queen, mommy. That I want to see you. Oh, you're so quiet. What do I want? We not get it. No, stop it.
No, I can't bother the media, girl.
No, but look at it at the media. Drag me now say X say no there with X. Guys, are all my add me. Guys, me not. Guys, me wait for Ivani. Shall come. Me not add nobody else. Me sorry. Guys, anyways, yeah, saying this. Starboy, thank you, darling. Guys, I let's talk about I can best in I can best here, I can best here behind me. Them never thing I say.
Girl, me not do media. You know, say me not do media.
But you does not have
Listen,
nothing to
no,
say.
listen what me a try to say. Uno no need to take this pan the media. You and the dog cool. You see me?
But I know
So,
them bring it down
listen
with
me now,
the
bro.
I
Yeah,
want
the
me not
dog.
check anything
Listen
to
what
you.
happened. Yeah, the dog cool. So basically, dog a try to say you cool. Uno not there, but uno cool, yes. But where dog a try to say,
Yeah.
you're there on the media with people where bring him down and them a bring you down to that a cause a contention, bro.
No, I understand.
So, him, when basically I say no, yeah, remember say Ivan always a bring you down, you know. So yeah, when Ivan a bring you down, Ivan I go bring him down too.
Yeah,
So
me hear.
basically when I try to tell you, say you know, say Ivan I go bring him down to when she a bring you down. So you don't need to dep on the screen with them.
Yeah, but look on it. But him can't tell me who for friend as well as I cannot tell him who for friend, right?
No, him can't tell you who for friend and you can him can't you can't tell him who for friend and him can't tell you who for friend.
Exactly. Because him talk to people I'm not cool with. So why if me talk to people, it's okay when they do it, but it's an issue when me do it. This Casa tell us about that thing can't tell her that.
No, me never saying can tell him that Casa. Me never did say that. No, remember say two of them cool, you know, then we if them a pass them one another and so forth in the street, them a go heal them one another and then think they call them cool like that, then we talk. But they not there. So when dog a try to say him and her talk and she had link with people where bring him down and he no feel good about it. And that him basically a tell her. But the way people them are saying in the comment section, you see me? So it a cause a contention.
So me and him not there, no, so like it's a relationship loyalty. But him no want me go up on screen with nobody, not down there, not Jaden, no figure it out, no funny, nobody. So me for just come on TikTok and be an island. Because me not go company screen for your side. Me just a company screen with regular rankers. That's all me I do. Me not bring you down with them. Me just dip on the screen with them. So what? Me can't dip on the screen? Me am one big woman exactly, Casa. Me am one big woman, so why me dip on the screen with them? If he could have called me and crash out if he hear say. Me a class him. I must say no, me not expect that from once. Him would have a point there, Lottie. But me not class him. I first make up on the screen them on the last night. And this just come on, man. He if you do better than that, bro. And that's why me crash out so a while ago, bro. Say I'll ball me a ball. If you do better than that, bro. I get so upset with me a ball. That's why I not like scream out. Yeah, he can't do that. I mean, and then him have this thing I say, this what me I do now affect him. It can't affect you because we're not there. Remember your team love you and your wife together. They don't care about nobody else in the island. You're not alone now on the island. You understand? So, we don't think that issue should I unite. So, me not affect you. Because only now one island, different island from me. You say, mommy? Exactly. We don't know why what?
Somebody said make your money, girl. Somebody said.
Yeah, that's how me I do. That's why I would have done a series, but then one time he come out and do the thing with Jaden and whatever. He went OD. I think he went worse than no worse. I don't know which one of them worse, but we good. So me understand because in front of all I want me I tell you right now. You see, if me see something per live or me hear something. Like a friend tell me something or something or something or something. Or me see me I'll crash out on him. Or me gonna call him 100 times I interrupt all in live and crash out. That's some mistake. No time me I'll call him. Cause me I say, me hear something and me don't love it. And me I say, really? Really, Akeem? And me call him and he nah go through. Me I say, why am I hang up and then I just go on TikTok and say in the pan live? Me I say, oh. That's why I not answer man in the funny life. I'm just love him. Remember, say I'm having life I live. Me and him not there. We're not together. As his minions and his families in the land, we're not together. Jesus. It's TikTok families, not your real families. It's TikTok people. We're not together, guys. I'm single. But me just feel bad. I'm just have to come say it. Like, it come like my life revolve around one man. Me there that youth from 2019 and now 2026. And I come at my life still revolve. I can't do it, guys. People want to control me. Control certain things I'm do. And me can't control you. Hey, if you hear say, I try in friend now and talk. Because if you hear say me I flirt or me I date somebody, if I go bring them down, let's like me I tell the truth. Mommy, what me I say? Me not say nothing, me not call no name. Me not call nobody name. Me just say, you will go to Lati and say, and it's a boy.
Left that argument now.
Mommy, I do something fun because me want to change the algorithm. You just want me be upset all the time. You know something I like on the style or move going, eh?
Don't ask me nothing about Akeem, yeah. You say your life not evolve around Akeem, so when you do your life, you do your life, boy, your life, and don't call Akeem name.
You're my friend, you know what? Everything. So what me I'll ask about him, say? Come on.
No, you ask me, where you just asked me a while ago, me a tell you, ask me then question.
No, I was just saying. I'm a boy, man. I'm a dog, guys. But everybody behind me is my mom. On the screen is my friend. They know exactly everything. But then, yeah, they just try to shut me up. But now I said up. Now I said up. Me not bring him downstairs, guys. I would never do that. If he come on live one day and I go bring me down, then I will say, alright, him have a reason for me cuss him. But I never cuss him, man. Me not cuss him. Me not cuss him, guys. Just say I make something clear. I make you know what really happened. And then she come off the phone and I'm upset and me never please. Me never please. So I just say, I come on live and state what happened. Why me mad? And I like me, I bring my business on the live. He don't depend on the person. The person, he don't comment and say then see we and then me never deny it. So, and even talk about that. To be honest. Me never even hear him say that. He just a debate say, maybe just rest the screen with certain people. That's all. That's an India debate, man.
Nah, you be up on nothing else, guys. Yes, you have a point. Malaysia, be friend with your ex. I don't know, all of my ex ain't cool. Maxi, we talk, man. We just talk. Everybody talk on the phone, Maxi. My friend right here was on the phone. My mom right here. Everybody was on the phone.
Low by name.
So what, mommy, what now? What, all of a sudden? Well, not some if do the right.
Come do your thing. You have to say
Me say my mom right here, so you know the right here.
So me know they right here.
You see all uno? Me no want to say my last word. Guys, why not do that? Guys, you know see, that's why I take myself out of this place, out of the country. You see? Everybody on my side. Everybody on my side. And me not do nothing wrong than feel a way about people in a box that say me come and me have a plan to take over man and wanna go work and class me cause that them say. And then me knowing people that they come in and me comment last night for true cause me knowing big bad people them come I always watch him live or majority of the time. So me know them so when they come over my live me know say them. So all me say is then come up them they on my live. Then come to tell me say who married from who not married. As if me care. You know, care about that. Nobody not talk about nobody don't want nobody. So nobody not talk about that. So me no want to come in and me chat come tell me who married. Or not do that. As far as me know. And I have to just understand, guys, it's lie. It's called lie. You know? You no mash up with friendship. You not happy now? Me there, you not happy? You no mash up with friendship. So now me think me can comfortably go on live with anybody. You not happy?
You feel a relief now.
Me, because I came and I spoke. I was too heavy. Me did too heavy. Me come off 5-4, me still no place. Me too heavy. Nobody can program me, baby. I'm not betray him. Betray him for what? Me go chat him with him apps. The whole of we used to be friends. We used to then have one house, everything. Every house, so then me did it. What do you know? Can we go the whole of we are friends? Me not betray him. I don't know betray. So, me dep on my live attack and you call that betray? You come to the forefront quickly. Yeah, you call that betray? Come me dep on my live and me attack. Oh, I'm mad about why I'm upset at me. Me I speak my mind. Me not betray him. You don't know betray? You know why me betray? You know jar me out here. What I'm telling you? Me calm down and me peaceful now. You know get me mad again. What? Sit the fuck down. I couldn't want me get sick. No bother with me, cause me's a walking crash out. Not talk about betray. Guys, they can't draw me up because anything what me no want say, me not have to say. Nobody can pull my string. And anything me mother and my friend tell about me. You see, me could have asked them opinion 100 times and me go back at them back and do what me want to do. Cause me there and me I go through a problem with my ex and me say, me don't do the me man. Me can't. So I never say,
And you do what you have to do. Anything what you have to do. Because then no semi going right back. So then it don't make sense. Then tell me what to do. When me I tell you no, you can't draw me out. You understand? You can't draw me out. And if me feel like you try to disrespect me, I go take you off of my life. Chun. No man, me not bring him down Maxi. Max the Queen. Oh, it talk something like Max the Queen, me not bring him down. Me and him a friend. But me not want in things say because me dey on screen with nobody. Me I go bring him down. I would never do that. I me I tell you in front of no face. In everything, want me talk? Oh, this cute for me interview. Thank you, babes. We can get some money going, guys. We are trying to complete the live gone. In everything when me talk, when you hear me say, we're not there. We're not together. Come on, just want to make that straight. Come on, if me I come on here and implement that we're together, we're not together. So that me did come make clear, and me come because I was so mad about what caused all of this. But me have to come live and me I say because he was so upset that I'm going live with Ivani and figure it out. His ups. Right? So me just did make that clear. Me not chatting. You don't know what is chatting somebody? Me come and talk about my experiences and what me I got through. Me talk about what happened. It's serious if I go with Jaden and whatever happened when me I don't have the pan screen or me and Jaden then the pan screen everybody. Yes. It's natural, it's normal. I mean him can't find it offensive. Him can't find it offensive because me no cuss him. I cannot depend on my side. Because you're still I say me this and me that and me that and me that and me that. You see me not do a thing. And me and him know. Me and him know say and me and him that. And me dog. We not there but I'm me dog. Me not care. Guys see what I know? Well, I know two side and two mouth. All I know. Remember me tell you. Cause uno I mean no say me no do nothing. Nothing me no do. Well, if you no want to say this alive here determine everything well in a real from morning and now see night I come they check on the phone at 7. So I don't really care. I respect and rate to friendship, but what me I go do? What me I go do? Me just come on live and talk why I'm mad. And isn't it the truth? Isn't it the truth? Isn't it the truth? He's friends with people who me not talk with and me not make it an issue. So me just go on a live stream with somebody when he's no longer friends with and he make it an issue. And then Uno go say no, I'm not a friend and I'm not this and I'm not that and I'm not that and I'm not that. I don't need to bail, bro. Because it seems like Uno don't understand the assignment. Uno says I don't understand the assignment or no. The assignment I give her and teacher I go in depth and still don't understand. I just don't want to have me in no box that make me feel like I'm stupid or I'm delusional. Or I come every... And that's a phone thing. Is he the only ex? Well, alright. I don't know why I was talking about him. It was a personal relationship. A relationship for years. A meaningful, real, living relationship. Matching tattoo, everything. I don't know. We used to do YouTube. We travel, everything. So, bro, me come on me live and me talk to thing or me answer 2 questions about him. I don't know if he come at me, bro. It was never fake, bro. It was a normal life we had. But that done and wrap up and done with, bro. and people are living separate life, but uno still I try to put people together, which in him not debate on that, you know, say nothing about that, you know. I just the media. Him just a debate on one thing. Him just not want me a friend with nobody. Him just not want me being friends with nobody where I go bring him or me down. Guys, maybe I'm gonna 2 live goals, please. See if we can go up in the top 20, 30. Let me see how much we want for top 30. 20k, guys. Blue Diamond, we need 20k, guys, for top 20. Guys, while you're at it, please remember the WhatsApp number is right here for Adam and Bleaching Cream. That's the business what I do, that's the business I have, that's the business that pays me, and that's the business I mine. Right? Guys, and they're pretty wondering for a long time. So, when I make it like say me come now, make them do that. No, me just come and I say, he's just mad because I was on screen with them. As he must say, if me and her cuss, then she go cuss him too, and him not want that. And that's why. I know not biggie. Uno just make things look bigger than it is, though. I just that. Uno make things look at than it is. Guys, me don't know about them beef and me not care. Me not come for justify nothing about them beef. Yeah, them make a big deal out of it, like say. I know something obvious what did I go and me talk about. Do you know? I can't show that charger definitely. I don't know if this will work. Plug it in.
What happened?
Nothing. Oh, go on. Guys, you are laughing. What's up?
Yeah, I did.
There, I know.
Everything bless?
Think so now.
What do you mean you think so now? What do you mean by that?
You know, I look a bad mood, you know.
What kind of mood are you in now?
But me done crash out, you know. Ask Jabas.
Oh, God.
Jabas just funny. Jabas just say funny naturally.
But we not done. Make sure we're not done, you know.
Yeah, we done. No, me done. My mom just say I make something.
Jabas, how happened?
Lord God. No, she talk about her cream them. She cream them, I'll peel out people's skin good and clean, my love.
Whoa, my belly.
Bumbo Clark! Chin bim bim!
I want to send Jaden.
So much down his alliance, you just send me.
Beg you want no chin bim bim.
Bumbo Clark! Chin bim bim! Bumbo rass! Jabas, tell me what going on, man. Tell you move some of you.
My youth, look at my youth. You hear me, my youth?
Mama, what going on, darling?
No, me tell Jabas we tell you.
My girl, stop mix me.
So what you can't tell me?
You know see funny for you or go on.
No, me just wake up. You understand?
That's what they tell us the cream. I just want to come misunderstanding, man. You see, we just have to
Check your
come.
phone, check your phone, sister.
Lord God, it makes up reach.
You see how Jabba stay? Jesus. Jabba say for bail. Then a simple 1, 2, 3, man. I should me did the life with figure it out.
No, you know, I will pay you. Lord God. When you come on,
I
Lord
bet you
God.
that make sure you talk with my blood clot text, you know. Come and text you, come and ask a question, they like me to say that in a message, you
I
know.
thought you're
No,
saying him.
no,
I
no,
thought
no.
you're
Him
saying
not
him.
say that. Him not,
Fuck,
none of that
don't
him
bring me,
say.
you know.
What's
No,
enough?
I thought him saying him. I can't read the room.
No, listen up.
Hold on.
Him a say nah get into it.
Hold on. All right. Me I gonna say the first letter, the first text. You say the second one. Me say the third one. You say the fourth one. Zin?
You good man.
Nah.
Oh, son up.
No, listen up. What me just saying a while ago. Me I gonna say the first letter. You say the second letter. And then me do the third one. You do the fourth one. Nah.
Afraid of guy. What you was afraid of?
Get
Into
it.
it.
Go.
Cars. Split.
Between peoples.
What? No, nobody. Everybody good, man. Everybody good, Javas, man.
Sister girl good, but sister girl there.
We don't know what she does. She don't come on yet.
So boy.
Who that?
Was. If you tell me what go on, darling. If you tell me what go on,
Risky.
I want to come on and she tell me so she'll come on now.
I'm gonna make you.
She not come yet.
Star boy, pick up in a beg something. Barney, I don't give.
Once I give me, man, I go the out.
Nika, what? Me a single? Me single, you know.
Jeffrey, me a friend. Yeah.
No can't say what's love mix up, bro. What's not the mix up, dog?
No, what's
Oh, God.
not the mix up on it? Me call Barney.
Me another that type of girl. Me just will come and talk me mind and me gone.
How you talk your mind, say? But figure it out, not the life.
No, in the company my life when me a talk me mind, he know that now. Cause maybe should I tell him say me a call in here. Hello?
Barney,
Yeah.
blood clot. But your body,
Blood
me not call
clot.
your name. How are you, darling?
You not come live?
You not come live?
Come live, figure it out.
Food boy first.
Yeah,
Online.
up. You the home?
Yes.
So buy pan live and come now, darling.
Alright, may I come?
Come now.
But me not see you live.
Me the live now.
Alright, may I come?
Yes, darling. Cause if you don't want to talk, you know, me know one somebody we're gonna go talk, you know. Nobody wrote. He hot. Got her for morning, for
I
a
was
week.
the time I said that today. She's asking me to run something.
Oh, where did that, Jaden? Where did that?
Chin bim bim. Thank
You
you so
Jaden?
much, darling. Eh?
Where did that?
I did that somewhere I go and chill off, you know?
Me see it, man. Me see it.
Yeah.
Tell me, you say me.
I'm gonna say forward.
You don't want to see someone?
How me say?
You said nothing there for me.
I see him so figure it out, say me, so me say come.
And he not come.
And he not come.
So you and him have to trade that day?
Yeah, I mean I'm having three food them, yes, of course. I KFC's I saw, you know.
Because if you got barbecue for me, my youth.
You know,
The wings, you know what you think?
you know food they had already.
Mm-hmm.
Your food that produce one egg, you know.
Your face, what? I see your face. I go like I can't mash hands, I see you. You know,
Eh.
you know where your blood that to me can't buy the mix up in idea, you know.
Y'all gotta get in us.
No,
Y'all
but
gotta.
you don't say me not do nothing. You see if me ever come out about something, it really upset me. Me not do that.
So where you come on, boy?
Let me tell you, Jaden. Let me tell you. In the panel like this morning, since a while ago.
So last night. Like,
No,
last
listen
night.
up. Yeah, inside the panel live last night. And some little connection are going on with Brown Man at a Marvin. And she said she know she can't go take Marvin because Marvin in a camp. So that said and done, bro, and they gone back, bro. And somebody in the comment section must be coming 2 times and say she with her ex-boyfriend. And she never disagree with it, she agree with it. And then today she come now and I say how the man, her ex call her, tell her, I say, oh, she a link with enemy. She a link with the enemy, them and one bag of rass clock, brother. You understand me? So I don't know what kind of mix up them and them a come with.
I don't mix up.
So what enemy?
I don't know if you ask him, my youth.
Him up.
So what ups?
Seriously.
You know me.
Want him no longer friends. That's what it means. No longer friends. So me did a live with them.
Yeah, man, I know me.
Me never did a live with you.
No, me, the people in my comments are saying me. No.
No, cause show me explain on something.
I know you, Jenny. I know you.
No, me.
Now that really go on my youth.
Too cute.
You know, get it wrong. And that's why I don't like him either. And that's why I say far from live. And I know me have my phone, and me there, my yard, my internet, me comfortable like this. Cause no one ever tell me.
What's you never come here with the what? Stop blaming me.
Why no say man figure it out, no friend?
But what? Stop blaming internet, no girl. Stop blaming internet, no girl. Girl.
I blame nobody of them. I say me.
Lefty people them. Lefty people them, darling. You come back and tell them. Low people them, baby. And you come back and tell them, low them. And you come back and tell them, no cuss them.
Say man figure it out, no talk. What?
You can't cuss them because you come back with it. You have to make them turn, darling. You have to load them. I'm going to rub you. I'm going to press you.
You can't do that. Not do that. When we are on joke, on serious. The world knows that they are no longer friends. So what you say? Me come say it?
Yeah.
Right, Jabba.
But you go say the man call you.
So what you mention my name about?
Just did I explain something?
You say no why you're Jaden?
Yeah. That's what I need. We just did a mention, explain something.
I want
So
flash
that's
it.
why you come up.
Them say a lot.
Notification of my phone, notification from the flash.
I want to get man.
How say that?
That's why them things I'm not come on live. I'm not like what Jabbas say. Cause all Jabbas will say, I mean, come put out that like the people them publicly don't deal and people come and talk it on live their own business. So I mean never even come and say that. Me just explain what happened today.
Come on, so find that there.
Me read the room, guys, cause you know I'm stay already.
No, I if you read the room, man. I read the room, darling.
Bro, that's why I come and me just make it clear. Cause you see with Uno now, you see because Uno comment certain things and me a laugh, Uno sorry. That's why I make it clear, many man not there, bro. Many man did friend, right? Many man are not friend again neither, bro, cause of Uno. Cause Uno this whole thing, bro. Uno sick. But why me come on the media and say because me I say him have him friend, then me have a friend. We not there, we not fuck man, him not there. You see it, so if me have a friend, him can't tell me who fuck up on screen with. And that's why me come and me and say, bro, you can't tell me if you go up on screen whosoever, you can't tell me who fuck up on screen with. That's why I'm saying I never meet, me not cuss nobody, me not say nothing. So make it like say me I want bad person to blood. Okay, you can't determine I am who, I mean no me who. You understand?
I want Khan to hear I want coastline. Brother, what you doing? Steve.
Why make me upset?
Why you upset, darling?
I don't like them something. That's why I not do me that I realize.
You don't know nobody? Yeah, man, can I have Malta for me too? I want Pepsi.
Guys, I'm not mad. Me just say well, I'm not mad. I'm not mad, man. I just feel away, bro. That's why I not like internet, you know. God no.
So me I figure to in a bumbo clan some of my youth. So you don't accept me that.
No, you know me not see that.
Oh, you thinking about coming time was there.
Bro, me I was good, man. Me I was none.
But watch out now. I tell you from now, yes, when it come on to things about Akeam, bro, I don't really want to get involved in nothing, you see? So I just state that. So if it's a conversation about Akeam, I don't really want to get involved, bro. So what's, with all due respect, sister, anything a dog say, I saw you go, you see? I don't really want to entertain it.
That good man.
Yeah.
Tell you.
At the end of the day, it's a youth that me respect. It's a youth that me respect same way. Cause you know, we have a history. So I don't really have nothing bad to say about the dog or try to violate the dog. You see, it's all love. I tell you. Yeah, it's all love, man. Same way. Big up your dog, same way. The dog are doing thing. The dog are doing thing and me I do my thing, man. Big up your dog, same way, man. All the time.
Them good man. Them just not talk. You just never like the idea me depend on live with them. That's all. I just me don't know.
What them thing, them, man?
Who you call them?
You and the dog, watch out now. You and the dog have history. What's? You see, even though certain things say, when I not like how it sound, when the dog tell a thing, sister, you have to keep it between you and the dog. That style, no matter what. No matter what. You see that style, even by you and him have history to you. So if the dog come and tell you something, you need to keep it between you. So what you doing at night, yeah? This, me I tell you what you doing at night, yeah? You see that talk that we're making at night, yeah? Film people them and film people them and go debate and start go at it. Who are enemy from who are that? A hot fire through this in right now, you know?
Alright,
a hot tile through the situation and you have to be careful of social media. This.
Oh, them take it. It's not what it is the way them take it. Remember, I just made a statement.
What's this? The media does not know that. Every time the media asks me, he dog good man, he dog a do him thing. The media never really know that in the background are going. You come state it over here. You shouldn't do that, man. You should have just love it by them, man. In a real life, sis. A media, you know. I remember say my platform big and the dog platform big. The two of them are gonna start go at it now. Social media.
So everybody knows so long.
No, are you gonna make them know, sis?
No, everybody know that long time figure it out, man.
We never know, darling.
Yeah, that talk, everybody talk it. Yeah, mommy I say. Everybody knows that you make them I say like me can rise up video now where people are say we no talk. And me know say we no talk.
Where Malta?
Everybody knows how we no talk.
Certain things you need, you can't bring it on your media, you see? Yeah, you can't do certain things from there.
Yes,
I'm not sure you on that bus or nothing in a was, but you see them thing there? Some things you have to keep confidential, you see me? Yes, sis, and everything you come step on the media, man. Right now, if you tell you throw a dog under one chuck right now. You throw the dog under one chuck on the media right now. Trust me. It might look normal to you, but you fling the dog under the bus. Me I tell you.
No.
Fling the dog under the bus, man.
Say if me fling Akeam on the bus, me fling him on the bus. You know that.
It's not even to go right now, so what? You see it? Because the dog trust if you come to you. Watch out now. The dog trust if you come to you respectfully and say certain things to you.
Cause bring whole heap of things, bro. It's never trust. You make it like a come and I say and I chat you. I never that. Injure and even me, my crash out to him, I crash up on the phone with my mother and my friend. And I say, me can't be shit up on screen with them, bro. I know say me and them people they not deal, bro. I just that, bro. I wanna make it like no, me do something wrong.
Watch out now, was in my face. In my face, you style the dog neatly still. Me not tell you no lie. I say look to me.
So all me style him.
I could have left off my media, I never made that dog call up on your phone. Remember say, I made the dog I warn you about and funny, you know. And if you hear me a bonfire and I tell you, say, regardless, you should bring it on the media. You should bring it on the media, sis. Regardless. If me I tell you, you must know. You should bring it on the media.
Yeah, me not bring him down some way. Me not bring him down. Me just talk why me upset. Me just be upset.
Why? Depend on the problem, yeah.
Nobody no problem.
Oh, watch out. Hold on there. Oh, let me tell you this. On my platform this year, nobody come in my comment section with it. Because you see, where I come right, I don't build my thing, you know. So I don't want to come over here with no negativity in my thing, you know, because that me they are promoting, you know. So you see anybody coming at this and don't want to come tell me about shut my mouth and easy myself, man, me running up and down the mother. When you play with me, I go find on the quarters and lift up. That me I tell you. Find on the blood clot quarters and lift up off of my platform, because I don't belong here. Oh, now come over here and come. Oh, now chat to me for me, no. Make my people them vibes over here. I don't know no brother. Lift up from over here, someone. I won't know. But I come over this, come play with me. You know my face there already, and ramp with me. You lift up and go find the quarters. That me I tell you no. Oh, you keep my comment section peaceful. That me I tell you. I don't want no corruption over here, so. Oh. And the corruption make me a win. I humble me humble self and I do the thing. Now come over here with it.
Nobody
That me I
can
tell you.
you know say me not write it already. You are my mother, you know say me not stick in my head. But the thing is, nobody now try to call me though. It's just that he must say, alright, remember I case you know, me I get cussed you know, because I'm on school in my iPhone. Remember, you know, when he call, he did debate and figure it out. I am just a debater. If I want to cuss you, she can cuss me. I'm a camera. I'm this and that. He never debate on one person, but I'm just making a general statement. But now the video have it like a one person.
So my name get tonight?
Who do you say your name get tonight now? I tour with up on screen and with one youth or a person, right?
Marvelous, good.
What are you talking about?
Something about serious. What kind of serious you not talk about?
I know me talk, I want to know say. Hey, I don't know what my mouth you know listen. You know turn on my lights, I'm living restaurant.
Watch out now. Just done it, man. Just done it.
No, me just
No, figure more here what she say, bro.
See boy, I know girl come at me. Oh, coming out my mouth. Please, don't just know we explain like and I'm always telling you now.
Watch out now. You have all the time in that world. Why no? Come on, man. Stop feed our fire dog energy, sister, and tap it.
Me just upset.
You have all the time in that world.
But I comment them and talk about a thing.
Tap it, man.
Me not like it. Me not like it, brother.
Tap it.
Come on, like me never intend to do nothing. I've only had me with you. I would did there with a reason. What the issue? Eh? What energy? Who for energy? I couldn't keep matter. I comment them matter. Because I get mad at the comment them. Mommy, we need one thing further than that.
Jabba says, yes, 90 yard, brother. Turn on the light now.
I mean, nobody not call me down. If you think that Jay call me down, Jay not call me down. I need one think that Jay not call me down. Me just make a statement and he say, if me should do it, and me explain why it happened. And I'm like, Jay knows me and somebody will come for me that I bring down Akeam. My last person in our life. Because me and him cool. Me and him not dead, but me and him cool. Jay know. Not because they're not linked. He know. Everybody know that. Me don't never bring him down, bro. Me not bring down people I've ever been with, bro. We left and we not there. But we're not enemy, bro. And even if me and your enemy with them, me not bring you down. I saw me stay, bro. Me never like me there, bro. You never see me over this. We just come to me there last night and just a vibe. A vibe. One little thing. And just because me come. You know what me bet? Because your sister after they call me and say, I want to go back on my life and about me so upset. I'm go up on the life and I look vexed and them I say, what I'm to you? And I say, I just want to leave me alone. I don't want nobody add me to no box. Because two people add me to box. Two van go say one little something. If you come back and take over your man and make you do real. Look a joke everybody around. And take it too hard.
Here, walk me, alright, darling. Pick up yourself, you know.
I just thought me never want, so that's why I come out and I make things clear. Me say we're not there. Me just want to drop the allegation. Me not no man, me single. Me not there, we're not there. That's all me saying. And then me just say the reason why he Because he not even talk about no, me I say me and him take. And me never say that. So him not gonna come to me about that. He just a say, he never like the idea. Me there on the screen with people where I'm not friend with. I just that's all. I don't know no chon and no boss and no. Me no come talk with no secret no. Me just make a general statement when I'm saying upset about. That's all. Me not do nothing else. Yes. Oh, he come here, them and make one boy. Follow
Jaden, you know you hear me I say, bro? My two sister girl, me I tell you something. Watch out now. So when you come on to people me classify as friend or family, bro, me now go there and sit down in a promoting and bringing them down. Cause you see, if me fi sit down right and so I make what's a need style the dog and not say nothing and I tell her say she wrong, me would do me same thing too.
No, me
Would do me same thing too. You understand what I say, bro? So me can't really support it, boss. Me tell you straight.
Jay, me I talk to you. Me I need styling.
I say, look, me I be honest to you. I say,
No,
look.
me not need styling. Me you could come like Jay, hold on. You vex with me or you hard for me?
No, but I tell you say you're wrong. Cause you need that name call for saying
No,
me.
you make you look now like say you vex. Yeah, you come and them and say it to Jay. You look fuck up. Cause right now man I met me because I know and you the on screen now. Man do the all laugh off on me.
No matter about wrong or wrong, sis. You see?
No,
Turn
but
the style, me just not promote.
like
Me I
you
tell
want two, like yeah, need. I'm mother and I back and feel
you.
okay.
If you want custom, me I tell you say you're wrong. I say you go, but you just wrong.
Yeah, what wrong for do one? If say me can't depend screen anybody more depend. Me I'm one big woman, Jay. Me not care. And I like me your bestie. Female say me you see me in a video and a bestie. I want look go up on screen. But me understand that she must say me and cool. And him, you know say my iPhone they have them big difference and Yan him have no little difference. So I must say the two people them him and them not talk. He only right for say that. Me can't cuss him say him say that, bro. But no, you gonna say me wrong cause me say him say that. What me do? Me ain't come
The
and
figure out what I try to tell you was is that you and him had a conversation on the phone. It was needed to come on TikTok to discuss what you guys were talking about.
Exactly what me I try to say.
That's the dog I try to tell you, bro. That was a
That me I try to say,
private
bro.
conversation.
You not talk but you not listen to me. That me realize. When you not listen to me, you not gonna talk.
But we understand what you say.
You don't understand. Can I come like hold on at me now?
Lord God, no darling, I don't busy with you. Remember you used to take the bodies at me.
Mommy,
I'm
yeah,
not busy with
mommy.
you. I'm not busy with you, darling. Lord God, you know what, I'm going to leave. Come me leave right, I'm going to leave again. You know, do I do nothing? I can't take my salt.
Yo, Jaden, go on do your thing, you know, bro.
Vanya, call me. Tell her if you add me now, please. I mean, I know all this become one issue. Why? Me say that's why I don't like.
Jaden Robbo.
There I know.
What me miss?
This thing has become one big thing. That's how I figure it out. Upset. I say me throw Akeam on the bus through me come and say that.
What you say? Me just come in and know wagwan. Me miss
Oh, me
everything.
stop. Lord God, that's why
Me miss everything.
But I'm not like social media. Jesus Christ. Mommy, turn on.
Tell me just a come.
Me I come me turn on me light. Come me pay a light bill, you know. Me I come.
Jaden Robbo.
I listen what I'm going on, so darling. And I put 1 to 2 and 2 to 1.
Let's continue. First, in order for me understand, me pick up from last night.
But
So,
guys, me feel away. You know, me tell you why me feel away. I see after this,
Yeah,
we come back from media. Cause me,
we was me go pick up from last night.
we
Me
not
pick
be
up
able
from
to me
last
tell
night.
you what go on. Let me tell
So
you what
last night was come from my live. I would have a look at
I'm
it.
not right. I'm not sure.
We start talk back, and then me say to her, say,
Yes,
"How do we make you, my
yes.
friend?" Me say, "How do we make you, my friend? If you go take away, when name Akeam for Rosalie." And she
Yeah.
said, "Why you call Akeem name? Stop that, that. But apparently,
Don't me name not calling name. Me I say me don't want to talk
no, you
about
said
it,
don't
right?
talk. But apparently, the people
All right.
that
I know that them a
comment,
talk saying at the box. Right? Me I tell
right,
you.
to talk. If people them in the comments, me don't know. If people them must comment so they say Akeem was somewhere they spot them somewhere.
I can't then.
And then Miss
And I
and
tell
then
me see my kids, yeah.
me remember what me said to Was and then Was go say so where him did gone or something like me that say you need to go take back Akeem and Was supposed to say so where him gone. So from Was go say that no, you know if people they start Must think say, oh, they okay then, alright, she keep looking at them in something for true.
Yeah, that's what
And then that did done from last night. So what happened today now? What happened?
Okay. Today I came on the live. I was on the live. What's that, mommy? You did up on the live? What do you? I mean, call before the live or call after me? You call when you something before you come here? No, I know before you come. Oh yeah, in text. All right, Ivan. So it looked like he messaged me. Cause remember I said we're not there, but we're cool. You understand?
Right.
So a message in the archive, so me never see it, never hear no notification. Like this morning when I check my phone, me see some message delete, so me never know what saying. You understand? Cause them delete, and me never see it in the archive. But then now through me I wonder what go on, some text me I say, what go on? Catch remember say me know say me I hear the on live I do this and then me no want nobody say me I go send up for mash up them and then money, you see, because I'm not a part of that. We left, we partize him I doing thing, me I do my thing. Me not care about him, he not care about me. Fine? So me I say me no want him go feel like a that. So me I say like a that make him text me when me look at message and come in after 4 9 man remember we up on live till late, right?
Weird. When text you and say,
Right, me I go down in delete the message them. Remember, me just go see the delete for everyone.
right.
Huh? So he text back after the delete for everyone now and say, is what is it? Can't remember me say that. Me show you a message there. Mommy, come me can't read them no. Alright, long story short, he said,
Jesus, what's when say?
well I know. I told me want to read them word for word because I don't want to
Just,
read.
yeah, do that.
Anyways, no.
It's coming like it before what say when say we have to wait. Me have to go beg when say. Alright, let me ask you one question let me ask a valid question.
Him just say,
Let me ask you one valid question. First, there only
come
can
like you want to man enemy because they're on screen with people me not link with. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying?
Yes. So that cause
When you say you're the past security people who don't link with?
yeah, I'm not link with.
But alright, you have to understand, But you have to understand too,
Yeah.
There's two people on the screen. Or you know which one specifically matter. Cause remember Akeam, Jaden and Akeem not talk.
No, Jaden never
Hold on up, me I show you something. Akeem and Jaden not talk low key. Cause Akeem did show shit like he wants to say him and the king for the app no one. In there try to do a little low key shit. Him and Jaden not talk. Akeem and Javi not talk either. So all you know who him a talk. Support Jaden in the
When you
talk.
saw me up on the screen?
With people in the talk. But Jaden in up on the screen last night?
No, if me I telling them me and you and the guy and Jay.
Oh.
I see my talk. After me come off a live that. So that's what I mean.
I say yeah, Javi.
So, anyways, them remember them have them differences, but me don't know about them differences, right? Cool.
I want you say after when
you
you
know me have vibe and something. And him said that. Alright, remember say that Don said that and him me never
I
said
sure not me my talk. I made up on the screen.
remember say yeah him have no thing to so
so who me my talk then?
Oh no, yeah. So
I
anyway,
don't Javi my talk then. I'm more likely to be me then. Cause
so after that me come on the live in idea. Remember me did that me a whole of vibes and something. After that now, after me hang up, I think him friend called me. I don't know how it go. We the pan
talk to me in the car. Him use film button bump and cocking and me have to go down back the road there, Akeem. So you could just come talk to me.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
So him friend did up on the call and while we talk and she explained to me saying call her and I explained to her what one. So anyways, then all of them go up on a call now. So my mother, him, my friend, everybody they on the call. So I explain. Remember say he now call me, no kind don't tell me feel mine. And I said behind my friend but come at me an enemy too. Fine. He go and I tell them. I explain to them why him tell me that. You know, because everybody wonder what one. Eh?
Why never ask who my talk? Who are the enemy? If you see who am I saying?
What?
So talk truth, yeah, Akeem not there, but you know a link low key. While
No, we're not together, none talk.
None talk, but you know low key a link.
Link as in there? We're not there. No.
No, they and link are two different words. There when they deal with somebody. Link are when you know you and them that the boy and them still link. You and them still a link. Me know you know me talking about. There when you and him there. Like how you're not there with somebody. But you know low key a link while him and Rosalie attack.
No, we're not a link. A link would have come back, we still are involved. No.
No, link would have be like, a man not own you, you not own him neither, but you not fuck same where I want to kiss same where I want to go. You know link up and you probably the yard I want to go drink.
The sneak peek, babe. Remember, say it was my man, so I couldn't do a sneak peek.
Okay.
No, baby. So we just like, if he see me somewhere, me see me, heal him, we're not together. You understand? That's why I say me never want to talk about him last night because them all put it the wrong way and I that them.
But what you mean when you say he ain't gone? Because me don't feel like he not gone nowhere. And that the people, you see?
Alright.
Me bring it up and that make people them the people them carry on the internet and go and chill. When me say you need to take away Rosalie from Akeam, you know, and then they say
when he gone. What that's so dear. I told me
that's like he ain't got no me know you troll, you know. Me know, but the people them are gonna say
that's why you me come up, eh?
If people them, I know the people them and then through Akeam go call you today now and your story sound change, you know, them and say Akeam must be paid.
No, my story not change. Me never come out yesterday and say we there.
No, but you say him never when gone. So
gone meaning trolling.
Even to a Jamaican in one situation like this, you could tell them say I troll them and say then Akeam never what that
mean. But me I tell you no, say it's trolling. Cause you troll me, so me just find something quick for clap back.
Yeah, but no, as you say Akeam call you today. We the people are gonna still think hard. Me understand, but them the people are gonna say, Akeam page. That's why you have to come back now because say a troll. You get what me I say? If you understand what me I say,
I do understand, but remember, say the paging is never about nothing but Rose, nothing
but
but.
But if you understand, say we not on the phone, we don't know what we want to talk. But we not feed them head them. I think say a page, you know.
I'm telling you, and it never was a personal page. It was a conference page. You understand?
So why Javi cuss you?
Javi vex because
Javi
said, show me come and make it clear, say, Akeam vex because me dep on screen you and him. So like him and say, make sure him under the bus. So me don't know, like, even though a situation look like me say, all right, me I choose my friend, then me want the on screen my friend.
So what you have to do with Javi because if Akeam is vexed that in the on screen, then again.
He not this man, whatever.
So who am enemy me? Call him ask him who am enemy. Come ready for bust it up, you know.
Bill no.
I for talk why when me and Rosalina at match you follow me. You follow your enemy. For what reason?
Bill man. But it alright, look funny. His situation blow out than what me expect. Cause remember say me I don't want me that girl. Me no company me and do argument or not like that.
So you and him go out the night when the people they say they spot you know. They don't know how no go but you and him go out the night when the people they say they spot you know.
No, we didn't went out. I saw him and he saw me. We didn't went out.
But the people them say they soon together and then you see up the body in a video no.
Yeah, cause me stand up one day. You don't know that little feeling like me. I say, nobody got video when I say we there. That me say.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, that me say, man. Cause me never want nobody got video with.
God.
But may I say, it's not a mix up or nothing, you know, but to all look now that look like one mix up now. Everybody I say. Not really everybody is mad, but I don't know why figure it out is upset because he's saying me throw him under the bus for come make everybody know so them not talk, which in everybody know that.
I know why figure it out can say that because deep down him no say and him Akeam a talk. And you have to understand, say, regardless of where two of them have a past, you know, them are still brother and are just circumstances. And me, Javi no say probably a me Akeam a talk, so that's why him a defend Akeam, can probably know say him probably in himself he know say boy I still my brother that and if Javi in himself know say me Akeam probably a talk because me and Rosalie have things. So but then again, why that talk me? Me could be an enemy. When me a enemy, but I'm a Rosalie an enemy. Me and Akeam an enemy.
Cause you and him never was
Akeem an
friend.
enemy, you know.
You and him never was friend in the first place. So that's why I'm saying the situation looks very bad than it is. And I never expected it.
Whatever, friend. You all we there, friend. Me, you, Akeem, and Enhance.
I mean like friend. Like my friend was
Even in the big thing, Akeem follow me on Instagram. You know what's that? Let me tell you something. Ask the people them.
Why do not tell me to stop talking?
Was listen.
Why not tell me stop talk?
Was listen. I since the people them. I since the people them and Rosalie start get overboard and mention my kids them. I suck me this start this Akeem. Ask the people them. The only thing me used to say about Akeem is Akeem. Me know you know want Rosalie. Take what you can get. Take house, car, land, and build things and cut left for merch it. Ask them. I never really used to this Akeem and Rosalie me out. The only thing me used to tell Akeem say, do you know you don't want Rosalie? Take her money, take her land, take what you can get and go. I never really used to this him until she start nagging on my skin but people so me just start this back this fear man then she want to come on my kids.
Yeah, you know.
So I couldn't be he want to say an enemy because even since recently me not come out and this Akeem. I diss him. I Javi him probably attack Akeem him attack.
Mommy Bill no?
You want me to tell you?
Yeah. He can't say me an enemy for telling the truth. Enemy, I have to go back and when my people get back involved, you know. Because my story never change and it will never change, you know.
What moment, sir?
No, mommy, they are crush out. Remember, say my mother know everything.
About Akeem
Right?
is
My
true.
mother know everything. My mother know everything. My mother and Akeem are like this, right? Cool and cool. We're not together, but my mother good. So in a little thing, if you feel like me do something, you will call my mother and say, you know, say me see this on the live or come in say this or this go on or come in go on live with a person. Yeah, my mother first person you mother call.
So me and my enemy because me come tell them say me see him in a Batman party. I lie me I tell Akeem me see in a Batman party.
Remember say every time me and your cousin always cuss me about him, so I have it.
No, but what's my ask him? Can probably watch your life. Akeem me see in a Batman party.
Right.
Where the place name where the place name where the Batman there where them go down at the in a half a tree upstairs. O'Neill's place.
Barney, Bill.
Let me mute you.
Bill no?
Akeem, when me and Shay them used to be friends, me not see her in a Batman party. More than 2 times I see her in a Batman party. Shay and Batman are friend. Man we fuck man in a real life fish. And Shay and them are friend. Them come and share yard in a Shay bed because some of them are all tail. One of them are tail and live in New York now. And them are born Batman with fuck Batman. You and them not friend. Even the one them where they are New York up till now you and them are friend. So what you mean by a Vani talk about the enemy? Me you can never be enemy for talk the truth because me we stand pan when me stand pan and me not left or fight. Me see you with me 2 years them in a Batman party where Batman alone in at the party. Batman have on skirt, Batman have on shorts, Batman a wine pan pole, a pair Batman and sodomite in at the party because it's a batty party. A Shay bring me at the party. And when me take up my phone and video myself, wanna feel like some of that video, no. I'ma put my phone over the counter for charge. And that same night my phone get thief. And when me start bad up and I ask for my phone, Batman did want to fight me up and I shake off and make me go me yard. One next time again I Portmore. But I want to look at Airbnb place, private place. Batman beat pool party keeper again. Here man I walk with them balls and underskirt. And you was there. Even some of the man that we see a security. I look at Rasta one who claims a bad man, a Batman too.
She know say me
tell you something, you have a right to say me anyway because me stand by me stand by.
So mommy, you know say nobody can call me down.
Me know the truth. What's no truth? So no combo blood clot. No combo me for talk. Don't come by me.
You must say.
Yeah, call the girl and tell the girl about how you depend live with enemy. You know not the way you programmer
I never say me
not like peace can. Me never say nothing bad boy last night.
The guy cuss me enough. So you don't feel bad. Me feel bad enough.
Oh.
Yeah, more
Moderator, black everybody we are called Javi name in my comment. If Javi a Batman, him supposed to be a Batman because I want to say my whole shit up. So if me get a man for shit up, me also more bird of a feather flock together. Me want that Batman. Because me not living in denial, me living a truth. Me not living in denial, me living a truth. So if you don't want to say my Batman cool, me with there with that Batman there. No problem. Cause remember when I talk it every day, say my was shut up. The amount of time when I say Batman fuck me, so what? We are talking about Akeam. Cause you can't want to say me and your enemy for speak nothing but the truth. And you don't want Rosalie money you want. You go as far as left your friendship for girl. Cause you want to stay at number one and the income, the millions where you make every day, you can't afford to lose Rosalie for no friendship. So you choose woman where have your income. Rosalie is your investment. So you forgot ever choose Rosalie because you invest her for Lana bill her for, Osa buy her for, all sort of Kiara buy her for. Everything, you always the number one till you crown and you alone crown yourself to be king. So you can't lose that the investment. You will lose every friendship, every family ship for stay with Rosalie because she's your investment. Until the day come where you feel like you don't need her no more, she gonna get one away dime again. Me now look pound and me nobody cross my blood clot today. It's just a matter of time. Don't talk. Cause the world you never like, you don't like nobody either. You don't like your friend, you don't like Rosie. Rose is the investment. Me don't talk. I'm in a wrong what's to come out, come talk where she talk. She not wrong for talk where she talk. I talk about the life, the enemy. That's okay, mother Batman, about enemy. The only enemy is your bottom. What's tell the people them what you know? Tell people them what you know. Can you low key style you?
What do I know? What are you talking about?
Me and you know the truth.
No, bro. I don't know anything. Yes, I have it right here. You want it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna plug it off. Alright, guys. So, yeah, Jaden, you're quiet. You get what I'm like, you get what me I say? Are you not?
I'm not nothing, no involved with this.
I didn't say you're involved. We just have to understand.
Film them for this not about him. This is about fucking.
I am the listener. I am the listener.
Alright, no problem. Me not get involved, man.
Yo. Watch me like.
Guys, so no make it blow right.
Where that talk about series and them thing there?
Eh?
Where that talk about series and them thing there?
Well, I take everything personal. Me not have nothing personal. Me not take nothing personal, guys. It's no beef, it's no issue. Una gonna make it turn on and look like it's a big thing, you know? Yeah, mommy, but I not like say me weak, me just not like it drama, that's all.
I see some of my people them who no need for move.
Like
I'm not telling the own unfair. See some of my people them go back to when Rosalie used to be Rosalie. She used to depend people 40 days and she build that. What? When you hear about 40 days and 40 nights, Rosalie invent that. That means she cost people 40 days and 40 nights. When she used to class me 40 days and 40 nights, me never used to answer. Me we give her 1 day out of my time. So now if me want to talk about she 40 days and 40 blood clot night, me no say who for stop it. When I go like she a good girl, my girl a dirty girl. We live on people name every day. We cuss more ranking every blood clot day. Why when she give people 40 days and 40 nights and a bad man people as they go number one and she alone forget number one. And she says somebody go number two, she want to take it from them. And she says the number go 3 or number 1, she want to take it from them because she want to prove something to the internet. And she give them 14 days and 40 nights out of struggling. So if anybody, look how much time they give me Vanny. If I scroll somebody they on live talk about me. Big woman them too, what you have with my mother. Them in a 4-way box talk about me. Rosalie people them giant box and talk about me daily. Rosalie and some boy when I like me on TikTok will have up our DP and every time I scroll them a class me daily. It's just that me no need no defender. More why she not for come live and talk about me, you know. That no mean to say she not send her people them for talk about me. She have her group of people them will shoot for her toughest gift of them. Them in a 4-way box to talk about me. So she don't need to talk about me because she send them about me. Basically, me is a one girl army. You will never see my sensation in a box to talk about she. Me deal with that myself. So that's why it look like, oh, she obsessed with Rosalie. When me talk about she, me turn my life on and me click my life and me talk about it myself. Me don't need mommy sweetness, mommy Maria. You will never see sensation in a box to talk about Rosalie. Never. I want personal alone we talk about everybody in a mommy scrub. And that she have been and do that before me and her even turn friend. You will never see Ivan join nobody box and bring down Rosalie. Me click my own live and deal with that on my own live. Rosalie pay for her people them for course. Me can show you 3 boy right now with up on the internet will cost me for Rosalie. Me have screen record them before even last night. 5 of them in a box. And I talk about me our biggest gift to them. So when you come talk about how you're obsessed with Rosalie and if you leave her alone, you don't move on a dirty blood clot. Because now go like say Rosalie is a blood clot god. And I look at minions, them not bigger than Femi, not day, no time, no delusional. Because no one should be a person that she's not. No delusional if you don't feel like Rosalie bigger than nobody on the app. Have no more clout than nobody on the app. Even if her name bigger than, her name even bigger than Wasp name, I'm going to go sit down. For fame and popularity start on TikTok and it's like done on TikTok. If you're not no fame elsewhere, you can't talk to me. One time people know you when them click live. I not go around and hear nobody talk about Rosalie. I not see nobody book her. You see her on a flyer. See her on TV. Is it a pink wall or on TikTok? When it happen like I don't know who name Rose. So I don't come about blood cut, I can't go like the girl of God. I go like people just get up and trouble her. Like people just get up and trouble her like kind of she deal with people somewhere. You say how she will run out and defend Akeam, and so she come about the ranking. I never said nothing bad about her tonight. I help Javi rank. And you see, she not cuss Javi, you know. Guess who she come for? Me and Ice. Why? Because I send my people them over there. Jaden do the same thing and send film people them go help her. Go help Javi. She never cuss Jaden. And me, she come bout because she see me on screen and help him. She come bout me and she class me Sunday night. For what reason? Because I help him, I never talk bad boy, I never say nothing boy. You. But oh, nobody never see that. Nobody never see. So she come for Vanny when them do that wrong. But when me answer now, yeah, the problem, yeah, pick pan Rosalie, you come suck up my wall. You know, move. You can't bully nobody boy. And the girl in her team shape bad as some big dirty woman. Who could have been my mother. Mind you, me a 28 and only in no 50s and no 48 and a 28-year-old. You know, go away. Go worry about her court case Friday because she's such a girl and she have a top lawyer but she's still in a lock up.
I don't know, there's something blown out of proportion. I know, me can't believe it. That's why I'm not liking me either, bro.
What's where they talk about series now?
Me?
Yeah.
A while ago? When did I talk about you?
Vanny,
A while ago?
as the people must say in our comments.
What, long time? What?
I mean, now black couldn't die that I don't have to pay me. You're crazy. You don't have to watch my life. I'm glad I take off my moderator, them free speech. Honestly, talk where you want to talk, say.
No, I don't know why I'm talking.
Them for dash your bun the jail cell.
You want a series with her and Jaden? You want her?
That would look so nice. What you think?
What a series, darling. Put it out.
Jaden. Where's the Jaden? I can't fake it.
Once you can manage it,
No, I'm not fake my love.
you know, fake your love was so you have to serious about this. What is that?
You want Jaden unblock you? How will you do to make him black? You can't ignore your black people. You know? What you do?
Who black? Jaden, who you black?
Somebody,
What about Marvin? What about Marvin?
somebody come in.
What about Marvin? What? What about Marvin? What about Marvin?
I want to tell him no. Come see.
Oh, she could have talked to Marvin because Marvin and Akeam are friend. And she have an issue with Marvin. Said I'm gonna look away if she talk to Marvin friend. She
Baby.
don't talk to Akeem friend.
Baby. Unblock me, darling. I just that me come about in as me get the chance. I first thing more ask you. Can you unblock me please, sweetheart? Come on, baby.
Really now.
Yes, darling. You don't have to stay up on the screen with me and just unblock me, I'm gone, man.
It hot?
Just touch your man profile right or so and touch him name and just press unblock, eh? Thank you, baby. Just touch a man name, man. In the right lesson. And just press unblock.
Why you gonna jump?
You do it?
Yes, why you gonna jump?
Alright, baby. Thank you. So we block me for today, girl. What go on?
I don't know, you know.
One of them day there, your brain just chip.
Something like that.
Alright, baby.
Why you have to let the world know I block you? I didn't let them know.
Because he hot. He hot. What you mean? I get a block for no reason. He hot, you know. What do you think it normal? He hot, baby.
But you should have been mad at Wasp, you know. You should have been mad at Wasp. Because Wasp, I don't think you should be mad at
Let me give my 2 cents. Let me give my 2
I
cents.
feel like she said nothing wrong. You should come tell you, say, boy, the boy vexed the head and screwed with enemy. That just, no, you just make me know, say, alright, cool. I mean, enemy that know too. Okay, cool.
No, listen, fam. Let me tell you why. I'm tell you why I'm gonna get what's wrong. Because she said she and the daddy dep on phone. You see. She never going to talk you over your son. Because any boy I pre me, or any boy I pre figure it out or whatever, anybody. If me a girl talk or whatever, bro, who don't want them company me that and tell them send me a pre the man. You see.
But why you wouldn't want heads up somebody say them a get pre? That coming like you know say one man a go kill Vanya, you know about it and you not tell Vanya and then the man come kill Vanya. I saw that looking up. If somebody a pre smaddy, because mind you, she and him not there no. And me you know say what's now look no trouble.
But she and him not there. She and him not there.
Yes, and then him see her on live. Remember, you know, first of all, him should even call she for tell her who for the on live with because him and her not there. Him and Rosalie there. So why are you worried about who she's on live with? You're Rosalie there and what cannot call you and tell you say don't play no match with Rosalie because I don't really like Rosalie or Rosalie people them a cuss me. She can't tell you what to do. So if it two are not there, why is it that you feel you can control the bee and tell her who for the on live with unless you're not hide and a fuck or who hide or who under the lower the things. So now because them not there, what's up make me know say alright, you're the pan, him not like it because him the pan live with the enemy. So me actually happy, say somebody can make me know. I mean know you the happy if you know say support me the pan live with was I figure it out no talk. And then figure it out call was and figure it out come back and tell me say boy, me not like you the pan live with the enemy. You would feel good in yourself, Jaden say boy, Vanny come make you know say figure it out a prayer as an enemy.
Yeah.
Maybe the way she go by, maybe she never have to come say it pan live because remember him call she privately, you know. Him could have come live and said that publicly. So maybe she should have go by it better by calling me or calling Javi and say it in the text or whatever without the media. No, maybe the way we should go by it, but she's not wrong to make none of we know say why the person is still a pre you or the person you have your enemy. Because Jaden, guess what? Your man can have something on the internet, you know. And the argument done. And me still not have you as an enemy. We're not friends, but it not reach. You see, if somebody can have you as an enemy, it is fucking deep, brother. You know, just call nobody your enemy, so. If me and you cuss on the internet, Jaden, and me tell you, say, go suck your mama, you tell me about something more. That's just an argument between me and you. Me are just not friends. But for you reach enemy stage, it is fucking deep. The person have to eat you, can't trust you, no have nothing to do with you. Why the fuck you would want somebody for tell you, say, oh, that person is still a pre you? Of course, me she not wrong none time. It's just the way she should have never come live come say. She should have text Javi or she should have text the cool because him call her private. So she should have make we know private. But she can never wrong, brother, for update you on something. That no.
You just adjust something, man.
I come like him tell her say, boy,
Me talk about just the internet thing me I talk about. You see it, babes?
You just come and say something.
you're not wrong. It's just because you say it publicly and you should have probably said privately because you call you privately, you should have probably keep it privately. But you're never wrong.
The conference call, they were crush out about it.
You see how you do that now? Cause me tell you something. Nobody don't know what the future bring. You see, even if future brings something and everybody are gonna try to be back friends. You see, people like me were paranoid. You could never come back to be my friend because you're gonna remember say, oh, me and your enemy, and you're not going to friend me and kill me. Because coming
No,
back
but
now, you're gonna feel like, oh,
them not
they're trying
talking about maybe them not
friend me
have
to
an
kill me
ongoing
now. You're gonna
beef.
stay
Me not
as
see them have an
far.
ongoing beef.
You stay as far.
Me not see them have an ongoing beef. Them just not
When
talk.
somebody say yeah, them enemy, brother, it deep. Me not put enemy.
No, maybe him say enemy meaning.
No, you can't say what him say because it's not you. You don't know how I'm feeling. So you
No,
can't
but
talk
true,
for
yeah,
him, you know.
yeah, try to
You can't talk
interpret
for
it.
him.
Because he never go in depth and discuss him.
But
He
him
just
use the word enemy. Enemy is a strong word and you use the word based on how you
and if
feel.
you have somebody no friend, you are gonna say you are them an enemy.
No,
You say that.
you use your word based on how you feel about the person.
Yeah, but
You
you know
use the
things that
word based
because him and a friend make him say enemy, you feel like a that. Because he never go in depth and talk nothing. He just a say, bad man, he come like all around I'm enemy, because you depend on my enemy them. That's all he said. That's all.
You know why you have to protect yourself, you know. You know why you have to keep calm, you know, which is cool. But
No, there's nothing and nobody in this world can shut me up. But I'm just saying, why him say that because him just vex. Me not know, me can't even tell you why. You know, like he just vex.
him enemy, which is cool.
Yes,
Which is cool.
but to all the media make it look like me cause figure out just to say me throw him under bus like me come and disrespect him or me say. Me just make a general something I say. It's something what happened last night, stop a whole
And
thing.
if him say you're there on live with him enemy them, so if he wanted to shout out one person and say Vani Mata, he would have say a Vani Mata. Me not think him scared to point out and say a Vani. And if he was talking about figure it out only, he would have said Javi. He's talking about both parties. That's why I'm saying with him enemy them. Because I made it on live.
Yeah,
In
me
my
and
market,
George.
you know, if them are still friend and Javi. So it's only go for me alone and it not go for Javi alone. It go for both of we because
But
him say
I
enemy
told the
them.
media take it just you know because them not talk about them maybe not have no different
Yo, figure ya echo no. Just swipe out
I
that,
big
bro, and
no,
come
me
in.
just glad how you come and
but
somebody
look
else
on
them
it
put me
man
up
I
them
true
not
in a
here.
room
talk
empty.
remember say we know a long time so them not talk but we not have
And I mean, can I say to you, Javi, I hope you know see you have one enemy now, so no stray yourself to talk to them because them have you as an enemy.
One two piece.
me not
You
feel like
see?
it because
Yeah.
them a come
Like
from
spicy
far
wing and
just like how
barbecue.
me can say all of
But
you
what's
come
your
from
story
far
in a minute sense was because you did the
Man,
life
what?
earlier say what? You the life earlier say
Yeah, two
yeah
wing,
Akeem not
spicy and
there
barbecue.
and
Our
you know
barbecue
want
there.
come bust it up
Two
and
spicy wing and
but
no the
now
comment them me
now
a
the
talk
story
the
had
comment
changed to say him no mean it. So what last night it was a different old talking compared to today. So what is it? Is Akeem page you and make you scared because two different you see me?
not
Me listen
page
and me observe, you know. You see last night to last night, you never did that defend Akeem. He was just plain and blunt. But
no, I'm not
after now, we know
defending.
see you
All
get the
right, no, me
call
not
here.
defending.
No,
Me
it's
not
like a
defending, but me not
protective.
fussing.
It's like yeah,
Remember last
protect him
night?
now, like you said, boy.
Remember, them not
Akeem don't
again.
mean it that way there, no. Akeem is like a protect you, like you're free. I say it look like you're impeachable or something. So now you have to make him look good. You're making him
Tell
look
you
good
one thing,
now.
I said there is nobody in this world, even Andrew himself can beat me over me and me quiet. Nobody. I mean, not think nobody breaks. And so me no want to
Alright,
part with
no,
it.
make it rich.
But, yeah, we
Well,
just have
was, for some reason, me not trust it.
Where do I?
You know.
As in, yeah, that trust is a dangerous word. And you don't know,
No, that's why.
told me, so you have to be a reason why I said that.
No, that's what I can know.
What the reason?
No, but I'm a spirit, huh? Spirit.
Not tell us shit, bro.
Eh?
I'm not saying spirit are telling me so it got trust. This now
You know why him now got trusted now?
no,
Because remember last night you said what Akeem did gone and I open the body
yeah,
in a
but we
screen.
explain all of
Hold
that.
on, no,
Lord
girl.
God, Lord, all of that me a talk about.
You have to mute you. And then you say Up screen record and catch it, and it sound like everybody on Akeem side last night. I know today now, after you hear about enemy or something, it's like you defend him now. So I would even trust you neither because it's like you defend somebody where just a tell us you the on screen it their enemy.
Go on now, that me I talk about, you know.
No, that what me I talk about, me know what you are talking about.
What you talk about, Jaden?
Him can't go suck film, my man. I don't really give a fuck about him.
Spill it, no, Jaden, spill it.
Just feel like I go about the thing wrong, you know? Yeah. What do you think, figure?
I tell her so she go about it wrong already.
You see? You can feel energy, you know. That's how it was last night. Me say, you know, we're not talking, you know. Cause me see it, you know. Jaden, me say last night when was come on the screen and they was say me want be disrespectful, but me can't just see vision. That come like a smarty saying was or was come for me say what's going me and I deal with it. You see it turn out now?
In that whole situation, I'm just glad my woman and black me still, you know. That's all my business about. Just glad me get on that still, you see? Yeah. That's all I care about right now.
So what you gonna do now, Wax? You gonna block now?
Explain something I know and make everybody a judge.
Wax, you're gonna get black. Am I black you know?
I don't know care about it.
Oh, Jesus, Father God. You know what? You make it today. I swear from my son life. You make it today. Me never speak back from Rosary. Akeam, me
You
don't.
never normally come live and speak about him. If somebody not ask
That is it, babes.
about
You just focus,
me
baby, and stop
and
yourself.
I bring him down. So now we just say one little thing.
That is it.
People don't love me. The bottom line, I want me there try to say why me explain that. Come here, say people don't love me. Anyway, me want them on any screen, anybody just love me. That is what me there explaining.
You could have tell him.
I don't know how to make it look.
You could have tell him on the call.
I did tell you.
All they had me in the mix when I was come on my page first. The only thing me, first of all, the only thing me said, I want to see you take back Akeam. She could have said no compliment. And she said, where him did gone. And they say it start from when she said, where him did gone. And they said everything. And then Rosa, the people, them take it to heart. And they say it start from, not me. Come on,
That me do, guys. Just because me explain something. No, them have us. No, I'm going to wait up for you.
Yo, I can't bumble club about that. Yo, brother, this I interrupt my beggings, you know. When we are go done? I don't get it over with, no man.
Yeah, bother.
that God was them have you as a trick now, you know, cause we don't know if I am saying if he kill we have for our mission, you know.
No, brother. How can I joke sing this? Yo, not
Big
man and big man, bro. That's I interrupt man begging.
Them have to good to take my 3 pints now.
Guys, don't pay. It's nothing like that, man.
Oh God.
Don't pay, man. You blow out a proportion, everybody know their feelings, everybody vex, everybody a judge, everybody a say this, everybody a say that.
Me vex cause me beggings I interrupt. You all I views gone all about the place cause I mix up.
That's it.
That's the truth, you know. Alright. Why man in this one here block me and my burn a there. Plus when I come over here son I interrupt your beggings. You just wrap up on another man and get it over with now. Wrap up on another man.
I just know sir, just not speak back on them again.
That is it my baby.
I get serious. So when nobody see me and bust my head, you know, come can't fight.
Nobody will have
Can't fight.
Nobody will have.
It's nice. Guys, I want shrimp.
I don't know right now.
No woman, no want me. Oh, God.
Nobody do. I don't know program. You know, so me do anything on my own. Probably no boy. Everything good, man. Guys, like comment on have no one story. But me know what me know. And me and nobody are no enemy, and nobody can make me and nobody be no enemy. I'm me not afraid of nobody.
Yeah, make we done it now. Make we
Nah,
done
make
it now.
sure this and that and that and me feel like
Make we done it now. Make we done it now.
no, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Nobody can comment. Nobody. I mean nobody not war. Like so I know like me nobody.
Alright, we done talk about she. We now bring her back she. And we
What's? Just say something. You say something
we
with me.
now bring her back her man.
What's? You say something with me look upon. You say something like you say, you don't want to mess with nobody money. What do you mean by that?
What that?
And now stop the body food.
Yeah, that's you not stop nobody food. What do you mean by that?
Meaning me not stop nobody food. What does that mean? That one meaning that have you know that can't stray from the other meaning.
No, I'm not sure, but it just.
So anything what you think you mean or that you mean?
Lord Jesus. You see now?
Let me tell you what me think you mean.
Yeah.
The series what I go on with the dog.
I'm saying, I'm afraid I may not trust me, not this one.
The series what I go on with the dog.
No, darling, me not do no series.
No, not your figure.
Okay.
The series what I go on with the dog.
How about it?
I want to feel pretty deep in that.
What you talking?
What the trick is to get everybody to talk and get rid of some mix up you know for in my camera there now.
That's why I love
It's
it.
done. Then lock your mouth. You don't have nothing to do with it, Jaden. Lock your it done.
That's why I love you, baby.
Guys,
I
we
am
could play
set.
one match. We could play one match.
That's why I love you, baby. You're full of
No,
set.
me just like that talk to you, you know.
Yeah, make it done. Make it done.
Not everything you don't like, all of a sudden. What talk? Bro,
Just yeah. You don't have nothing to do with it. Just yeah.
we good, man. Everything good, man.
Wasp make it stay, yeah. Change the topic. Everybody are going to screen a card later for kill now.
Yeah, and it just I give what me not give. Cause me not like it mix up and me not like it drama. Me just come forward and say something me never.
First lady, a single darling.
That's it. No, it's a bag of premium, it's a bag of energy, a bag of the one. We just come and say one little thing, and everybody take it on a different matter. Then put it for them way, then do everything for one. But
I'm coming back. Glad me live a fire, you know. Can't catch me.
guys, me been done. Nobody near talk. Look what from even me don't talk about that. It just become a big thing. They don't know a pre-mens before. Pre-mens now everybody have a pre-mens.
What's your eat food? You eat already, What's your eat already?
Also comfortable, so I guess it's a pre-mens.
Was?
Eh?
Eat already?
Yes, baby.
Job, you eat already?
No,
Yeah,
baby.
you eat already?
We just like the peace,
Yeah,
we
then.
don't like the problem.
Yeah,
man.
no.
We just don't want no problem. We just want peace. That's all.
Alright.
That's the last thing me ever say. Wanna live good and project peace. That's all.
Well, go.
Yeah, we good. Everything good. Everybody good.
You see why my veneers them broke?
I'm not kitchen, thank you, darling.
Peter, get up on live. You want peace, was?
God, God.
Good morning.
Why should I not ask him peace about?
Eh?
When I ask him peace about?
No, say nothing come not. You judge me.
That will remember
Peter,
something
get my
by
food.
12.
Please.
Go buy no ticket then.
I judge you. I judge you.
Try use a double F for me that team.
Guys, gloves on double. Gloves on double. After a week in a bag. First day, they want me, darling.
That use a double them team.
For the Lord.
Come on, guys. Use the glove. Use the glove. Use the glove. Use the glove. Shot. Thank you.
Double check,
Oh,
double.
Scott.
Use up that double F for me,
I
darling.
want you so much,
Put
Jaden.
some on the double, please.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, babe.
Mash up my beggings in a brother.
Guys,
Baba,
we need leopard.
Brainer, thanks for your money going in darling.
How do your number one?
Job.
But Jabba's there.
You must never call me.
Eh?
I never call her yesterday when I take it to. I just borrowed for you there.
I'm never online, so you're good for do what you want to.
Alright, my dog, bad. I should have asked if I can borrow it still, now, but I know me are good like that, so I just take it, you see?
No? Why is that? Donkey style up, man. Give me a lion now. Give me a lion. Chat to me, little dog alone, man. I want to know.
Them are talking a code, so me was to understand.
Take it.
That they go know I'm playing, I'm not coming from man. I know the beggings mash up, man, but I could start the beggings back now, man. They go know I'm playing, man.
See? It's know for running internet.
Bad energy and money not mixed together, you know?
Today the internet with you and them dropping like a ball tomorrow. Why you think me night so long?
Yes, baby.
Barney, you know disrespectful, Barney.
How this at them for tapping nice? Hey, Bellier, go lick out your mama. They your size?
Love and
That's the way I Barney, yes. Nika, beg you something, Nika.
me look
Darling, them talking, you hear? Chat to the
Barney,
follow.
you should have never called me that.
Follow Max, Momo, Brian. Nana Kitchen. Big up yourself, darling.
Why me should ask you?
Come on, them thing there. Barney,
No, it's a different. Me never ask. Me show you. Me never ask you. Me show you.
Barney, who did not one?
push up your foot.
What? Me never ask you. Me show you.
Guys, push up your foot.
It's really the best meal me ever eat. Honestly. Drop a look.
Eh.
Jaffy! Yo, Jaffy ambassador. Savania single?
No?
Say that, thank you.
Eh?
Love and
How are you, man, Barney?
peace, thank you. Libra, thank you. Really,
Drop a read.
guys, call me.
Oh, you remember that name there?
Yo, what's up, Barney? When you look at it?
I jump.
Call Barney them. Tell Barney them to forward.
Wagwan.
Raw blood clot, go on.
Me there, yeah, bro. Chilling. How are you, bro?
I'm doing fine. Can I beg you something?
Tell me.
Can I beg you anything like a gift? A gift?